How to know which keywords brings conversions? You don't until you don't run them, try them, and see what's working and what's not working. Try to, if it's a fairly new account, even if it's not new, avoid one word keywords. They are too broad. The intent is not there. So you need to see the intent. How to make a pizza. There's no intent to order a pizza online, right? It's information. People are looking what is a pizza, how it is made, and all that. What ingredients does it have? Whereas order pizza online, there's big intent. Somebody is hungry. They are looking for a restaurant or a takeaway to deliver pizza or home delivery pizza, those kind of keywords. Intent is there. So you need to go after those keywords which has got intent and they will convert.